Hello everyone. Good morning. How are you all? All are good? So children, today we will start with the literacy subject, okay? But before that, join your hands and get ready for the prayer. Let's start children. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Very good children. So children, now tell me which alphabet you can see on your screen. Alphabet Z, right? We all have learned how to practice uppercase and lowercase alphabet Z in your literacy skill sheet book, right? So today we will practice some pages in your brown cover capital and small letter book, as well as we will learn the sound and the phonics song of alphabet Z. Even I will narrate a short story of letter Z to you, in which I will be using some words starting with the letter Z, which will help you to read the words. Okay children. So firstly I will tell you which pages you have to practice in your brown cover capital and small letter book. Okay, so children, this is your literacy brown cover capital and small letter book. In this book you have to open to your page number 83. Okay, on this page you will practice uppercase, that is capital alphabet Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Okay, after this turn to your next page, page number 84, in which you will practice lowercase, that is small letter Z. Z for zero, Z for zigzag. Okay, then the next page, page number 85, in which you will practice uppercase as well as lowercase letter Z. Okay, uppercase as well as lowercase letter Z. Then after this children, come to the next page, page number 86, in which you will practice from alphabet V to Z. Okay, uppercase and lowercase alphabet V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, this is in your page number 86. These are the 4 pages which you have to practice in your brown cover capital and small letter book. Understood children? So children, now let's start learning the sound of Z. The sound of Z is Z, Z. Okay children, here is a phonics song of Z. Let's start. Z, z. Let's go to the zoo. Z, let's go to the zoo. Z, z. Let's go to the zoo and see the zebra at the zoo. Okay, Z, zebra. Z, zoo. Okay, once again let's start children. Z, z. Let's go to the zoo. Z, z. Let's go to the zoo. Z, z. Let's go to the zoo and see the zebra at the zoo. Okay, let's go to the zoo and see the zebra at the zoo. Z. Okay, this is the sound and the phonics song of letter Z. Okay children, here is the name of short alphabet story. Okay, let's start with the alphabet story. Letter Z. ZZ in the zoo. ZZ in the zoo. ZZ the zebra. Who lives in the zoo? Animals, right? So there was an animal. What was zebra? What was zebra's name? What was her name? ZZ. ZZ the zebra lives in the zoo. Her best friend is Moo. जैसे आपके भी बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स होते हैं ना, वैसे जीजी यानी जीब्रा की भी बेस्ट फ्रेंड थी. व्हाट वाज हर नेम? Moo. The zebu. This is the animal zebu. Zizi and Moo loves eating grass. जैसे आपके भी फेवरेट डिशेस होते हैं वैसे एनिमल्स भी खा सकते हैं ना. यस. सो जीजी एंड मू लव्स ईटिंग ग्रास. उन लोगों को ग्रास खाना बहुत पसंद था. यू हैव सो मैनी zigzags ऑन योर बॉडी जीजी. मू ने एक दिन जीजी को बोला, आपके बॉडी पे कितने सारे zigzags है. जीब्रा के बॉडी पे zigzags होते हैं ना, ब्लैक कलर के. यस. सो द मूस सेड, यू हैव सो मैनी zigzags ऑन योर बॉडी जीजी. सेज मू, आई हैव 0 zigzags. मुंह के बॉडी पे कुछ नहीं है, बट जीब्रा के बॉडी पे zigzags है. So Moo said, you have so many zigzags on your body, but I don't have any zigzags. I have 0 zigzags. Moo is sad. ओके. अगर आपके फ्रेंड के पास कोई चीज़ होती है, अगर आपके पास नहीं होती है और आपको वो चीज़ पसंद आती है तो आप भी अपसेट होते हो ना. देन यू टेल योर मम्मी पापा दैट आई वॉन्ट दिस थिंग, आई वॉन्ट दैट थिंग. यस. एंड यू गेट सैड. In the same way, Moo also got sad. Why? Because Moo said, Zizi is having so many zigzags on her body, then why I am not having anything? Don't be sad, Moo. जैसे ही जीजी ने देखा कि Moo सैड हो रहा है तो जीजी ने बोला, Don't be sad. Says Zizi, you have 2 horns. Yes, look at the horns. Yes, जो मुंह के हेड पे है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? हॉर्न्स. क्या हुआ अगर आपके बॉडी पे zigzag नहीं है पर आपके पास 2 horns है? Yes, Zizi is not having horns, right? So Zizi said, what happen if you don't have zigzags but you have 2 horns on your head? Both of them laugh. यस. जैसे ही जीजी ने मुंह को बोला कि क्या हुआ अगर आपके पास zigzag नहीं है तो पर आपके पास 2 हॉर्न्स तो है, पर मेरे पास तो हॉर्न्स नहीं है. सो ये बात सुन के मुंह को हंसी आई एंड दे बोथ स्टार्टेड लाफिंग विद देयर टीथ आउट. टीथ. जब आप हंसते हो with your wholeheartedly, your teeth, you show your teeth, right? Yes. In the same way, Moo and Zizi started laughing with their teeth out. Yes. Yes. This is the way how Zizi made Moo to laugh and made her happy. Okay, children? So children, now let's recall the words starting with the letter Z. Okay? Zebra. Z for zebra. Zoo. Z for zoo. Zebu. Z for zebu. So children, these were the words which I have used in the alphabet story of letter Z. Okay? Now take out your books and start practicing letter Z in your brown cover capital and small letter book. Okay?